Hi, and welcome to today's practice. Today we're going to do a breathwork called So Hum Breathwork that I learned in Thailand. It's very simple. So Hum in translation means I am. We will inhale through our noses on the words so and exhale saying hum. So it goes like this. So hum. So hum. Inhale, exhale. And keep on going in the rhythm of the music. So hum. So hum. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So hum. 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 So hum. So hum. So 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 inhale, exhale. So 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 and on the next exhale, we're going to retain our breath. Exhale. Now, exhale all the air you have out of your lungs and retain your breath. We're going to try to retain it for 1 minute. Feel the energy moving around your body. You are beautiful. You are loved. You are cared for. So I am. I am everything. I am the universe. I am the God. I am a divine being. And now, when ready, inhale and retain the breath again for 15 more seconds. So inhale and hold the breath for 15 seconds. And exhale. Feel your body. See how this little practice already made a change in how you're feeling at this point, at this moment. Thank you for joining me. And if you enjoyed this practice, let me know in the comments. And I'm going to create a longer practice because this, what I learned, it was actually a practice of 1 hour doing 5 rounds. So if you liked and enjoyed this, then let me know and I will create a longer version. Have an amazing day.